I find it interesting that I can research the Christian doctrine of hell, and the idea that we can commit a sin and burn in hell for eternity is false and does not exist. I'm thinking to myself, anybody would want to know this. But invariably, I get Christians come to my channel and argue for the idea that hell exists. At first, it really perplexed me. Why would anybody want hell to exist and argue for it? Why would they not be excited that there is no way they will burn for eternity? Then it hit me. These types are so fearful of the power that others have over them that they believe the only way those powerful people will stay in check is because those people fear hell. Otherwise, those powerful people would run amok. People that live in fear want rules and regulations they hope will keep others in check. But here's the truth. You are powerful beyond belief.